Welcome to my life where I export plants around 4 a.m. That's the life of an engineer. That's crazy crap for you. I'm in bed, I'm working in bed. That's my setup. Yeah, we don't have an office. We are an office. Wow. Anyway, we are out to the next project, next video content, and next opportunity for civil engineering roles. I've been applying. I've texted Kalipa. I've texted Nyeleti. I've texted Zimile. We're about to go hard on Jones. And also what? We need more roles in small firms so that we learn how to run shit. Then we go to bigger ones. That's crazycry.com. Peace and love.